Welcome back to the channel. Thank you to you, our viewers, for making this channel very successful. So if you like the video, please click the like button. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, would greatly appreciate it. But today we're going to bring you something different. This is a brand new floor plan from Fleetwood RV. This is a 2023 Discovery LXE 44S. This is new for 2023. And it is an impressive floor plan. I cheated on this video and took a quick look at this first, so we're going to take you right in and take a look at it. Yes, it's a tag axle, it's a 45-footer, 450 horsepower Cummins, but really, it's about the living. We've got tons of power to pull this down the road, but let's take a look. We'll take a quick look at the cockpit. Beautiful seats, nice and comfortable. We have a nice big media screen, separate screen for our cameras, Freightliner instrumentation. We even have lane departure by Mobileye and forward-looking collision alert by Mobileye. So this has all the gadgets that you really want, but it's about the living. Look at this floor plan. I'm just standing back trying to capture all of it for you. So let's look at it closer. A mega sofa. Look at the size of this sofa. Now, I've done a few videos over the last few days and I've seen some large sofas. This is the granddaddy of them all. Look at the size of that. It's absolutely phenomenal. Sitting right across from a massively large U-shaped dinette. Sitting in front is fireplace that throws heat and our entertainment center, our TV. As we look up, full bank of cabinets on both sides. So you'll have lots of space for your gear. Up front, if you're traveling with family members, we have a queen size hide-a-bed loft that drops down with the push of a button. To finish in the kitchen area, we have a residential French style fridge with water in the door, ice maker in the freezer. Pull-out island, and look at the prep space in this kitchen. Just a massive kitchen. We have a Fisher & Paykel dishwasher here. So if you have that large family, doing dishes is easy. And we have a farmhouse style stainless steel sink, as well as dual induction cooktop that is recessed below these covers, so that if you're not cooking inside, you're barbecuing outside, you have a massive prep space. Lots of storage above in the kitchen, as well as the convection microwave. And then I love the way they've finished these cabinet doors with the glass and the etching and design in the glass. So we have a nice little pantry here to keep all of our goods, as well as more storage down below. Now, I almost forgot to mention fully tiled backsplash, and something that the Rev Group has done really well is these windows in all the kitchens, so that you have the ability to view out that window. Now, this is a bath-and-a-half coach, so we have a nice, decent sized bath here with solid surface countertops, lots of storage throughout. As we make our way into the bedroom, you'll take a small step up here, and what's nice is, because of the engine compartment, usually there's a step up in the back bathroom, but they've done it here so that you're walking at the same level through the bedroom and the bathroom, not having to step up. Because remember, in the middle of the night, when you're a little groggy, you might miss that step coming back out. King size bed with the power tilt and storage above. As we spin around, we have nice wardrobes. We'll pop these open so you can see the hanging and the shelves below. And then we have ourselves 8 drawers here with a TV on a power lift system. So you want that natural light, like we want it today, we've got a beautiful window that can be opened up and have air come through. Or pop the TV up and watch TV. Now, the washroom back here is very unique and very beautiful. They've done a great job at it. We have his and her sinks, lots of storage below, his and her medicine cabinets, massively deep, and I'll get up close so you can see how wide and deep the countertop is here. We have a beautiful corner shower, all ceramic tile, and a separate water closet with storage back here. So let's take a look. So we've got linen storage back here, which is always super handy, but it doesn't end there. As we exit the water closet, you'll notice these large 2 doors here with mirrors, which are handy for dressing. So I'm gonna wave hi. Handy for dressing. But what do we have behind here? Well, many of you were probably wondering, where did they put that washer dryer? Washer dryer with some custom pull-out shelves. We have some adjustable shelves here and more wardrobe hanging. So they've done a great job, and of course the closet is lit when you open the doors. And being a Discovery, this has been a brand that has been around for a long time, has always represented quality and value for Fleetwood. So if you're in the market for something very different, not looking to go ultra luxury, super expensive, this 44S might be a coach to look at. I hope you've enjoyed this walkthrough of the 44S floor plan of the Discovery LXE. Thank you to Fleetwood RV for giving us access to the launch of this floor plan. We really greatly appreciate it. If you like the video, please click the like button, hit that subscribe. We'd really appreciate that, and we will talk to you soon. Make sure you live life to the fullest every day.